Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from Pittman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 17. Start. When I was in your shop on the parade, I saw a different type of tire tube. Full stop. 2. I should like to buy 4 or 5 of them for my car. Full stop. 3. I think you will enjoy our show if you can come to see it. Full stop. 4. I wish you to make out a check for the boiler and get it off tonight by air mail. Full stop. 5. Our failure to do what they wish may annoy them, comma, but how can we do what they ask? Question mark. 6. The village was a mile beyond the mouth of the Voy. Full stop. 7. Do you know when Roy and Dina are going to Cuba? Question mark. 8. I know the boy would like to go with them. Full stop. 9. Why was the charge put on March bill? Question mark. 10. Do you know when the ship may leave? Question mark. It will go out with the tide at 5. Full stop. 11. How far do you have to go? Question mark. Do you wish to come with me? Question mark. 12. You should write your name in ink at the bottom of the form. Full stop.